Great advice for creating funds in the gold market. Specifically in today's uncertain economic times, many investors are looking at the gold market to sustain them. Sadly, quite a few prospective investors fail to obtain the knowledge of gold markets expected to succeed. Continue reading this post to learn what gold are capable of doing to suit your needs. When you decide to sell gold, you need to get a couple of sources to provide approximately value. Dealer prices vary by store. You can be certain you're getting the best bargain by shopping around. Try selling gold online. Visiting a broker to generate a gold purchase is not required. There are plenty of websites which can be ready unwilling to buy your gold. These sites sends you kits in which you can send them your gold items. When they accept the pieces, you will receive their prevailing rate. If you plan to get gold in your retirement plan, be sure you do it wisely. You want to ensure that it must be IRS approved. They ought to be 24 karat bullion bars or coins. Gold bars usually hold their value better than gold coins. If you are gonna sell scrap gold for money, make sure you are considering everything. All stores won't pay market price for the gold, since they are all in business to make a profit. Stores that happen to be not centrally located may be able to offer you a better price. Look at the price while you are buying gold. This price is available on a variety of websites. Only place your order when you can locate a dealer prepared to sell on an 8% markup or less over the spot price. Some sellers try charging more, but that's overcharging, which can be generally unethical. Don't discount the need for searching for gold in vintage or antique stores. A wise and educated gold shopper will make some good finds. Often people usually do not realize the value of old jewelry and merely donate it or use it inside a garage sale. Reap the advantages from that loss, but only after researching first. If you visit a gold party, talk with the person who organizes it to figure out how they calculate value of the gold sold. Frequently, the gold piece can have a stamp on it. Other times, there is no means of knowing. An acid test may be an extremely simple way of carrying this out, so keep in mind that. Always read any fine print on the contracts. When you are selling your gold throughout the mail, see the information carefully. It will help you realize what you will have to pay in fees and commissions. Prior to selling your gold to a buyer, jeweler or dealer, take a look about the BBB. The BBB has information regarding each business, including any complaints or reviews from individuals that have used their services. Seriously consider whether the complaints were not settled in the satisfactory way. If you see many complaints, then you will want to discover another business. There is no need to physically own gold to purchase it. Some choices include investing in mutual funds using a gold focus, buying exchange-traded fund shares centering on gold, or purchasing stocks in gold mining. Purchasing gold bars and coins means you have to have a good destination to store them. If you'd love to stay safe when purchasing gold, be sure you're researching who may be buying it. This is extremely important, particularly when you're mailing it to someone that doesn't live in your state. Reputable dealers will on file using the BBB and get few to no complaints. Long-term investing is crucial for you to make an excellent profit off of gold. It means you don't just buy gold if the prices are high. That's never a wise move to have an investment. Ignoring the current market when purchasing gold gives you a much better price overall. Try selling gold coins as soon as the value has peaked. Remember that we now have daily fluctuations in stocks and shares. If you know a little about stocks and shares, making good money is actually a possibility. When the stock exchange is on the rise, you must sell your gold. You must not invest an excessive amount of at once. Gold doesn't give you any income, unlike buying stocks or bonds. Also, gold has a very volatile price. The worth only rises when equities decline in price. Never invest in excess of 5% of your respective whole portfolio in gold. If you're hoping to get into gold without lots of cash, you could still have a chance. Start small instead. Get gold coins and smaller jewelry pieces when you can. With time, you may increase to owning a lot of gold. Gold remains popular through the years. This simply means you'll have the capacity to turn a return whatever the market being bearish or bullish. That sort of flexibility is the reason why gold trading is smart. But you must learn strategies that really work in positive and negative times so that you can create a profit. If you're selling multiple items, have each piece weighed and sold individually. As a result, you are more likely to ascertain the actual overall value. This is certainly pertinent because two components of varying carats but identical weights will have very different values. When conducting technical analysis, by far the most helpful charts are the ones which can be plotted weekly and monthly. Utilizing MCX charts can help you to follow the trends to spend wisely. It's a good idea to take advantage of both types of gold charts to be able to optimize your research. Have your gold appraised before you market it. Of course, the appraisal does cost you some money initially. However, the quantity you must pay money for the appraisal may be much less than the total amount you would have been cheated from. Many people get excited when thinking of earning money with the gold market. Many people don't determine what steps to consider, though. We hope that this article has given you a good amount of information for successful gold trading.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.